Honourable Minister and MEC, we are here together today to look at the impact of the virus, banana bunchy top virus in this area. Now this is Mr. Mkhwebani's farm. Mr. Mkhwebani, where are you? This is the farmer. So in this farm we can see the damage of this virus quite significantly. The virus came into South Africa in 2015 in the Ugu district. It's right about 40 kilometers from here, if I have my angle correctly, closer to the Bedien area. And gradually it started spreading. So it is a quarantine pest for South Africa. We are still regulating it in terms of our legislation, but we're also assisting these areas with additional training, chemicals and awareness. However, one of the reasons why we're here is because recently it started spreading quite dramatically again, and we are showing you today the impact of this in the local communities. It affects commercial, small-scale and subsistence farmers dramatically, and this is quite a serious disease.